Today we have a 2006 Ford Explorer XLT Eddie Bauer edition with a 4.0 motor. The right front has got a wobble to it. We jacked it up a little. You can see the tire had a little play in it. We found out it's the right outer tie rod end, so we're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. As stated, the tie rod ends are loose, so we're going to show you where that's located. First we're going to do is take off the tire. Sticking a little. This is your inner tie rod, your inners, and these are the outers. And right now we're just going to grab right here on that flat spot. Use a crescent there. Use a crescent here and just break this loose. So to break it loose, we're going to have to go down with it. It broke loose. Now you just go back nice and easy. It's free. Okay. We're going to take this nut off on the bottom here. It's a 21. Okay, and it's spinning. If it spins on you like that, you're going to have to take some open-end wrenches. This is a 10 on the bottom and a 21. You just walk it on down this way. A little more time-consuming, but it's the same thing. Back that right on down. Once you have it loose like that, you can finish it off by hand. Screw it all the way down. And that one just pops out. You can see his boot's all ripped. The nice thing about breaking that nut, that's going to kind of tell you where this one is as far as alignment. Now you just back it out. You can count the number of it, but I usually just use that nut there. Spin this out like that. You'll be ready to install the new one. Okay, you can see how this one's all ripped up. It's got 150,000 on it, how loose it is. And this one, you can't even move it. So that's what's giving you your wobble on the front end. And it looks comparable for size. Start spinning her back on. And no matter what, you don't have to get alignment, but it's highly recommended. You don't want to wear your tires. So we go like that. And if it's really close to dropping down, perfect. Which I think it's got to come out a little. Man, it thing's hard to move. Take a couple more times out. When you put that in too, you can look at the front end, your tires, or you can step back and look at the rotor here and see if it's kind of straight. And that looks like it's pretty straight right there. And you can see when I'm saying this rotor, if it's too far in or if it's too far out, you want to adjust this in and out. You're just going to get it close to take it up to the alignment shop. But we put it right there and kind of push it down. And you can see it's kind of aligned to the front. These might be a little different, only for the fact that it's manufactured different or different manufacturer. So you just get it eyeball close, and then take it and have it aligned. Last thing we do is put this nut back on. Tighten this up. Let's tighten this up. That should be plenty tight until we get it for the alignment. Okay, the last thing we do, reinstall the tire with a crossing bar. And just double check like that to make sure they're all tight. Okay, now you can see it doesn't have any shake. And that's all it takes to install an outer tie rod end on a 2006 Ford Explorer.